Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. I am Nahida with you. Today we are making a rich, creamy and festive Sabudana or Tapioca Kheer, a perfect dessert for any occasion, especially fasting days. Let's start cooking. Take half cup Sabudana or Tapioca pearl and soak them in water for 2 hours. This helps them cook faster and gives a creamy texture. Wash the soaked sabudana well to remove excess starch. In a small bowl, add 3 tablespoons milk and soak a few saffron strands for extra flavor and color. Roasting the nuts. In a pan, heat 2 teaspoons ghee and add 3 tablespoons of chopped almond, cashews and pistachios along with 2 tablespoons raisin. Roast them for 30 seconds until they turn slightly golden and release their aroma. Keep them aside. Want to know the secret to a perfectly creamy Sabudana Kheer? Watch till the end. In the same pan, add the washed sabudana and dry roast them for 2 minutes to enhance the flavor. For a deeper aroma, roast the sabudana in ghee for a minute before adding milk. Now pour 2 cups of milk and keep stirring on medium heat. Keep stirring while cooking sabudana in milk to prevent lumps and sticking at the bottom of the pan. Cook until the sabudana turns transparent and soft. This ensures they are fully cooked and gives a silky texture to the kheer. Now add 1/4 cup of milk powder and mix well to enhance the creaminess. Adding milk powder makes the kheer extra creamy without needing extra cream. Now pour the saffron milk. Pour in half cup condensed milk for a naturally rich and sweet taste. If you prefer a less sweet kheer, reduce the condensed milk and add a little sugar instead. Adjust to taste. Did you know sabudana is gluten-free, rich in carbohydrates and an excellent source of energy, making it perfect for fasting? The milk will now thicken a luscious consistency. Add the roasted dry fruits and mix well. Dry fruits not only enhance the flavor but also add essential nutrients like protein and healthy fats. Remove from heat and let it cool slightly. The kheer will thicken as it cools. Serve warm for a comforting dessert or chilled for a refreshing treat. Love easy dessert recipes? Hit the like button and let us know in the comments if you have tried Sabudana Kheer before. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and delicious sweet recipes.